Hey guys, Case with Top Branch here. If you're like me, you always have to change your chain on your saw once in a while, or at least touch it up, or your tension is a little off. And these are sometimes tough to locate if you don't have a set place for them. We used to keep them in our tackle boxes that we use for our chains, for the chainsaws, but when after you go through and you sharpen them all, those fill right up, and there's no room for this. So this is a cool little hack that we do all the time, and of course had to get a new one because it decided to leave the truck. So what you do is basically you take a couple handy dandy zip ties, you put them around here, put your finger through it and tighten it on. No, not really. And then you put your scrunch here and tighten them up. Basically, you cut them off with this, and it turns into a nice holder for your scrunch. So you tune up your saw, whatever, and when you're done with it, just slide it back so it always stays right there. Super nice, and we end up just keeping bar and chain and stuff in a little milk crate like that. So that way, if you need to, if your tree or whatever is far away from where you're parking, you just take all this with you. That way you don't have to have your guys come back. And cool, easy hack, guys. Makes it so that way you're much more productive, and you know where this guy lives all the time. Let's back to work, and I got some chains to sharpen too. So yeah, chainsaw sharpening video, how we keep all of our chains nice and sharp, that's coming soon too.